What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevy Silverado remote key fob. So this Silverado key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here on the side that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom, we see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my key in that notch like that, and then I'm just going to twist it like I'm opening a lock. And as I do that, you can see it starts to pop the back of the key fob up. So then I'll just grab that back piece, pull it the rest of the way off like that. And now we see our battery right here. Now I'll grab my key, and you see there's these two notches here and here. Put your key in one of those notches, and it'll get under the edge of the key fob and get it out of there. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And I'm going to start this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Now I'll grab the back cover, and holding it like this, I'm going to start the top of the cover on first like this. Just kind of hook that top on, and then snap it down the rest of the way into place. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.